Hi there, welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. Today in this video, I would like to share with everyone why I got into Salute trade, Salutica, and exited 3 days later for a profit of 6%. On 3rd August, I shared on my membership platform that I have bought into Salute stock at 0.665 cents and expect the trade to play out within matter of days. I have also informed my members that I entered into this trade based on pure technical analysis strategy. So now let me share with you what I saw in the chart on that day. I have day traded Salute stock before, and hence this stock has been under my watch list. In fact, on 11 July, when I saw a mirror candle appeared to indicate the likelihood of surging to the upside, but I did not take the action. Hence, I missed out on the huge runs the next day of up to 19%. So, I know this stock is a beast. It could round up real fast. As I continued observing this stock on the 3rd of August, which is Thursday, I saw that this stock seems to be gathering momentum to want to go back up to the upside. And look at how the size of each candle has been getting smaller as it continued its pullback for 4 days. Usually when a candle got smaller and with a decreasing volume, it usually indicates to us selling exhaustion and a turn in the direction is soon coming. This time I told myself I wouldn't want to miss out on the run again, so I bought into Salute on the 3rd August at 0.665 cents, but the momentum slowed down almost right after I bought it. I'm sure most stock traders have had this kind of feeling before, like once they bought into a stock, the stock's price seems to tumble down, or once they have cut loss or sold off their existing position, the same stock started to rally back up. Wow, this kind of feeling is definitely sucks, right? I know it. But when Salute stock price retraced back on that same day to close lower at 65 cents, I did not panic, as my stop loss limit was at 63.5 cents. So as long as the stock price closed above this stop loss limit level, I am fine to continue holding on to it. The next day, which was a Friday, that is 4th of August, this stock opened at 64.5 cents and rallied up to a high of 66 cents and closed back down at 64.5 cents, which was 0.05 cents lower than the Thursday close. On the next trading day, that is Monday, this beast decided to gap up to open at 65 cents and continue its rally within the first trading hour from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. It recorded an all-day high of 74 cents, and I exited in the first 30 minutes of the trading hour at 70.5 cents and netted myself a nice gain of 6% within 4 days. If you have followed me for some time, you should realize by now that I am not someone who loves to press onto the pedal hard to try to take out the max profit from my trade. To me, as long as it is a reasonable profit, I am satisfied, as my top first priority is always to protect my capital, and second only to grow my capital. Unless there are some trades which I know it has potential to go way up higher, then I will continue holding on to it longer. Now let me also share with everyone on one of the trades which I have recently cut loss, that is Seng. I bought into Seng stock way back on 26 July morning when I saw the volume and momentum of Seng stock seems to be building up to want to break up to the upside. You see, on the 26th of July, this stock recorded a huge volume of 470 million versus its average volume of 68 million. Surely big guys were into this trade, otherwise retailer alone wouldn't have generated such a huge volume. But despite such a huge volume, Seng stock price showed weakness. It opened at 0.09 cents, surged to a high of 10 cents, but retraced down to make a low of 0.08 cents and finally closed back at 0.09 cents. This kind of price action, firstly, didn't jive well with the volume. It showed that there was a high buying but also high selling pressure as well. And on 26th of July, the bull and the bear had a neutral day, none win nor lose. Now come the next trading day, that is 27th July, Thursday. Hong Seng stock gap down to open at 0.085, made a lower low of 0.075 and a high of 0.09, and finally closed back at 0.085, which was lower compared to Wednesday close of 0.09. This was despite another huge volume day of 386 billion recorded on that day. This kind of price action didn't make much sense to me. The price actions was not behaving normally, but I couldn't confirm if I should cut my loss as my stop limit level was a close under 0.08, and plus I didn't see any negative news which could have caused the sell down. Come Friday, that is 28th of July, Hong Seng stock showed another weak day. It gapped down to open at 0.08, despite closing at 0.085 yesterday. Made another low of 0.075 and finally closed at 0.075. In fact, on hindsight, I realized I should have exited my position from Hong Seng stock when it continued closing at lower low and gapped down in its open price. I was looking for any negative news or catalyst which could have caused Hong Seng price to continue declining, but couldn't find any, except that Hong Seng has emerged as a substantial shareholder in Clasita. Just when I thought Hong Seng price could have been declining due to Clasita's stock price was also declining in the past few days, on Monday 31st July, when Clasita's stock price surged back up from 11.5 cents to 13.5 cents, I was hoping it should have had a positive spillover effect on Hong Seng price, but boy, I was wrong. On Monday, that is 31st of July, Hong Seng stock price opened at 0.075, made a lower low of 0.065, and that was when I decided to exit from Hong Seng stock, as I concluded that these past 4 days price actions versus volume to be unusual and decided to cut loss at 0.07 cents. I took in a 22% loss, but it was a good call as Hong Seng stock continued declining to as low as 0.055, that is another 21.4 cent decline. Today, as I'm recording this video, Hong Seng stock price is currently trading between 0.055 and 0.06 with decreasing volume. From this Hong Seng trade, I have learned to identify failed price action early, and should similar situation occur next time, I would not hesitate to cut loss or exit from such trade earlier. So when it comes to stock trading, we should all continue to learn from every trade we executed and become better and better. We get to learn from both successful and failed trade, understand why it failed and how we could fine-tune our next trade to be better next time. I've now come to the end of my sharing for today. If you have found value in it, do smash onto the like button to let me know. And always remember that you are greatly blessed, highly favored and deeply loved by the good Lord. And I shall see you again in the next video. Bye.